In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your print shop with mondaycom. 5 minutes. We'll set up a simple, reliable system that tracks every job from intake to delivery, keeps your team aligned, and gives you a clear overview of your shop's health. Start by logging in to your mondaycom account. If this is your first time, make sure you're using a work email and confirm your access so your team can join you later. Once you're in, create a dedicated workspace. Think of a workspace as the home for all things print operations, boards, dashboards, and docs, so nothing gets scattered across your account. Inside that workspace, create a new board for your job tracking. Give it a clear name like print jobs or production pipeline so your team recognizes it instantly. Now set up the columns that will power your workflow. Add an item name column for the job title or order number. Add a status column for stages like new, in design, proof sent, approved, in print, finishing, ready for pickup, and delivered. Include a date column for due dates or ship dates. Add a people column for the assignee or production owner. Finally, add a files column so proofs, artwork, and invoices live right on the job. Use groups to categorize where a job sits in your shop's timeline. For example, create groups like incoming orders, in production, and completed. You can drag jobs between groups as they progress, which makes it easy to see workload at a glance. Now let monday.com handle the busy work with automations. Set rules like when status changes to approved, move the item to in production and notify the assigned person. Or when the due date arrives, send a reminder to the production lead. You can also auto-create a task when a file is added, helping you avoid missed handoffs and manual check-ins. As your shop grows, you won't want to scan every single line. Use filters to show only jobs due this week, only your assignments, or only items in specific statuses. Save these as views, like calendar for scheduling, Kanban for stage-based flow, or table for detailed edits, so each role sees exactly what they need. Finally, create a dashboard for a high-level picture. Add widgets to track jobs by status, workload by team member, on-time versus overdue items, and a timeline of upcoming deadlines. This becomes your daily command center and a great tool for stand-ups or quick production meetings. With this setup, you'll have a streamlined pipeline, clear ownership, and real-time visibility, everything you need to run a smooth, profitable print shop.